My fridge has been leaking right in front of the freezer. Every morning I wake up to a nice puddle of water. What you're going to want to do is I've removed all my shelves and my food. There's some screws in this back panel here. Can remove that. Right down there, it gets clogged up very easy. That's a drain. I cleaned up all the ice. It was all over the bottom of the freezer, leaking out to the floor. And the problem is that drain gets clogged up very easy. And the drain right here. Some refrigerators may be a little different, but they all have a drain similar to this. Yours might be longer, but they're pretty easy to spot and to remove. And what I've done with mine is cut. This used to be an almost closed tip. I've cut this out. I've cleaned all my ice. And now I'm ready to put everything back together. I shouldn't have any more leaks. Little drain right down there. I hope this helps.